And it affects our economy. So we expect our stock market will go down some more, and that's a lot of foreign investors actually invest in our stock market. All the more, manaog pagid na, kay we are very politically unstable because BBM is a divisive president. Gusto niya yung yung away politika lagi na lang magiging issue sa buhay ng Pilipino. Whole year round, politika lang. Whole year round. That's why ang impeachment, tinutuloy nila. And then, ang sequence of events, after they voted for the impeachment, meaning ipasaka nila sa Senado ang articles of impeachment, si Senator Bato by surprise nag-present sa Senado and voted with the group of Alan Peter Cayetano to be Senate President. So, siguro na-surprise din itong mga grupo ng pro-impeachment because 9 na lang sila nabilin, 13 na ang the new majority ni na Senator Marcoleta, Senator Bato, Senator Alan Peter, because Senator Pia Cayetano joined them, naturally, Alan Peter is her brother, and the dalawang Villar also joined them. So 13 versus 9, kaya ang duwa nag-abstain. Si Zubiri, kag there's another one who abstained. JV Ercito. Mga Ilonggo, ina. JV Ercito's mother is Ilongga. And Zubiri is also Ilonggo. So, you can understand, abstain si Zubiri because, well, Mindanao, Bukidnon is very pro-Duterte. They might lose their seat in Congress, if they vote in favor of impeachment. And JV Ercito already told me more than a month ago in a wedding na hindi siya ganahan mo pirmaan ng impeachment because it's very divisive. Daghan kaayong problema ang nasod, pero impeachment ra gihapon.